all-new JAC T9 2027 stands as a bold fusion of rugged strength and modern styling. Starting from the front, the massive chrome-accented grille with horizontal slats dominates the view, giving it a bold, aggressive stance. Flanked by sleek LED headlights. As we move to the back, the robust design continues with stylish wraparound LED tail lamps connected by a blacked-out strip across the tailgate. The large embossed JAC branding adds a premium touch, while the reinforced rear bumper and built-in step make loading and unloading easy and practical. The tailgate is hydraulically assisted, and the rear bed comes with a durable liner, making it ideal for both work and adventure. From the right side, the JAC T9 exhibits clean body lines and a muscular profile. The flared wheel arches house chunky all-terrain tires wrapped around alloy wheels, giving it a strong off-road character. Black cladding around the lower body and chrome detailing on the door handles and side mirrors elevate its rugged elegance. Roof rails and side steps enhance utility and convenience, making it perfect for urban use and weekend getaways. Step inside and the dashboard instantly impresses with its tech-forward design. A wide touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, seamlessly integrated with the digital instrument cluster. Soft touch materials, chrome accents, and ambient lighting create a refined and comfortable cabin atmosphere. The multifunction steering wheel, wireless charging, and intelligent climate control add to the high-end experience. Seats are wide, supportive, and power-adjustable with heating and ventilation. Premium stitching and perforated leather showcase attention to detail. Moving to the back, passengers are greeted with ample legroom, rear AC vents, and charging ports, making long drives a pleasure for all occupants. Under the hood, the 2027 JAC T9 is powered by a new generation turbocharged diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Delivering both torque and efficiency, it's built for performance in every terrain. Whether it's daily commuting or conquering rough trails, the JAC T9 2027 proves it's more than just a pickup, it's a lifestyle machine.